And that's
Nice garden.
I don't know if it's salad, but
Something green.
something green.
We are going to check out the fortification, the ancient one.
Ancient.
There's plenty of them in Greece.
Greek does love their signs and posts and
Yeah, you just have to stop
Everything.
here and think.
Cape something. Do we want to go there? It's a cape. Rooms let nautical and the
Ancient
big.
time fortifications.
Yeah. It's really a perfect weather. It's plus 15 and sun is shining.
And not windy at all.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
like 20-ish.
20ish. Yeah, and yesterday was really windy. It was a storm.
Yeah.
Same storm I think which was in Spain earlier. So it hit here. Yeah, seeing this old fortifications. Prehistorical. 1300 before Christ. So pretty old. They have dig the old houses open so you can see them. Ulla loves the prehistoric wraps. He gets, yay. Dino. Yes.
We just went to the cafe. One espresso and one cappuccino. They cost €6.
Oh, what price in here?
€6.
€2.50 for espresso, €3.50 for cappuccino. Yeah, it's funny that these places are just used on season time.
Yeah.
Off season, it's like
It's like so sad to see.
yeah, sad to
So
see.
empty hotels and
Yeah,
everything.
there's a really nice hotel that is not
There.
used in any way.
Yeah.
Ah, so warm.
So hot.
So hot. We changed the spot a little bit to the other side of this really long beach. It goes like 5 kilometers that way. And yeah, we came to this other side of this beach. There's this dunes. And because the last place that we were in, there was this cafe that is open and this is closed, so we can be here in private. There's this sign outside, special protection area, so I don't know if it's because this ain't that protected area. I looked from the map and the protected area ends that river there, so we should be okay in here. What do you think about other dogs? You hate them. How about other dogs? Yeah. Pulla. 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 Nyh. So, this seemed like good place. There's that sign says that no campers overnight here, but there's a guy living on that cafe, and I asked from him, and is it okay to be here for a night, and he said no problemos. He gave us thumbs up to stay here for a night, and we just came from the beach. We sat there until the sun went down and it got really cold. What Greece offers us?
For free.
For free.
Amazing.
It's
the
so awful to leave them behind.
Little guys.
Oh, yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. No, don't run.